Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play.
Lovely fountain, been here for years. It's always bugged me that it just has this ugly pipe sticking up in the middle. And it makes a nice cascade, but it's, I don't know, not as exciting as it could be. So I tried an experiment, and I got this sculpture. That has a fountain built into it, and worked on the plumbing under here so that this pipe would meet that pipe when it's at the water level. And there's some spring to it, so maybe there's some pressure. So what I'm going to do now is get this to rest right at water level. So first, I got a black bucket, which is harder to see, and I drilled a hole in the middle. So now I switch this down. No, first, turn down the water. Got the valve here. Okay. That's better. Bucket goes down, and then on the bucket are a couple of bricks. Very high tech. There we go. Now, let's see if this works. I gotta try and marry this connection to this connection, and then balance it on top of these bricks. Okay, I think it's maybe. Let's turn it up and see. Oh, failure. Okay, let's try that again. Good. Still good. Let's try that one more time. Not quite in. Come on. Oh, that was close. Okay, let's try one more time. Come on. Oh, I think I'm getting something. All right, here we go. Turn this up. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, bonus. Well, it's quite splashy. Well, that was 20 years in the making. This thing I made 20 years ago. And it finally worked. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Cut.